Want to make your design look professional without Photoshop? Welcome back to Tech with Nushi. Today I'll show you how to use Canva step by step. No Photoshop, no complicated editing, just a few clicks in Canva. You can add design will look amazing. You can make your design look like they were created by a professional designer. And most people don't know it. So you can turn any logo or image into realistic product in just a few seconds. So today I show you exactly how to do with Canva Mockup. Canva Mockup, you can easily place your own logo on this t-shirt or bag. You can choose any option and you can add any logo. So let's do it. So first of all, open your Google browser. Click here Canva Pro. Click it. Click here Canva Pro. Click here to custom size. So and create a new design. Click it. So mockups can make or break a product in your print and demand business today. I'll show you a several method for creating in Canva. These mockups in Canva. So let's jump to mockup. Click here mockups. So trend, and today we are looking at how to create a mockup in Canva. I'll show you a couple different methods and you can choose which one you like and based on your product and style you want to achieve. So first let's look at Canva's own mockups. So here have smartphones, prints, computers, home living things, packaging. You can choose anything from here. So scroll down and see have tons of options here, different category and smartphones and print, apparels, computers, living things, packaging, everything. So click here. So click and see all the browser more of them. Click here computer. I will click here. Scroll down and see, and back to original list. And apparel options, click here apparel options, click it and you can choose here any t-shirt design. Okay, I'll choose this at Canva. Resize, click here and resize it. So now if you are selling this product, you definitely want to make sure the image look like the product you are actually selling. To be sure to verify that now I can add my design this mockup. So you can add your exciting photos or you can upload your own design. So I'm going to upload my logo for t-shirts. So click here to upload. So I have choose my logo. So you can drag and drop here. Now we are probably gonna want to customize this. So you can click double click. You can click here edit. Make the sizes. So I can move the design up, and if you want to reflect it in your mockups, so if you click the fill, you can change everything from here. So this area I click apply. So you can click here and you can make the sizes from here. Click to apply. You can change everything from here. You can center, left, right side. You can keep here everything. So t-shirt maybe I have to top or middle or bottom. So I'm going to choose top. I apply this. Okay, and you can change everything from here. So you can change the t-shirts colors also from here. So let's create another mockup using a different design. So as you see, the steps are the same. So let's see another mockup. Let's add the page. Click the add page. Let's see another mockups from here. I'm going to use, let's see, home living things. Click it. They have mug, bags. So you have many options, you can choose from that. So let's see which one is good. Click it, the back. Click here, load. Click it, load, and drag your logo from here. Alright, you can see, click here to zoom. See how it, you have your logo for bag, t-shirts and bag. So you can change it. You can fill upside or middle or left side, downside. You can do anything from here. You can change here everything, sizes, everything. So that's how easy to create a professional looking mockup in Canva. They are perfect for presentation, social media posts, online stores, marketing, many more. So first, understand what mockup is. A mockup is a realistic preview of your design of item like t-shirts, smartphone, laptop, business card, books, poster, packaging and many other products. So instead of showing a flat image, a mockup helps people imagine how the final product will look in real life. Clear image. You can add any logo here. So I have add my logo here. Alright, that's it for today's video. As you can see, Canva's Mockup offers lots of different options for creating realistic design. I'll be covered more of these features and example in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe and turn on notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.